Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ankur Khandelwal and I am consultant anesthesiologist in Shada Hospital, Greater Noida. As we all know that we have been terribly hit by COVID-19 pandemic, so it is the right time we need to understand who are the group of patients who are most susceptible and likely to develop severe COVID-19 infections. So number one, patients who are unvaccinated. Number two, patients who are hypertensive, patients who are diabetic, and patients who are morbid obese. So these are the four group of patients who are most likely to develop severe COVID-19 infection. Apart from this, patients with chronic lung diseases, patients with chronic kidney disease, patients with chronic liver disorders, patients with previous history of coronary artery disease or stroke, these are the group of patients again likely to develop severe COVID-19 infections. So what is the way out? The way out is first and foremost, number one, get vaccinated. This is the single most factor which can prevent you from suffering from severe COVID-19 infection. Number two, optimize your comorbidities. For example, if you are hypertensive, taking an antihypertensive drug doesn't guarantee that your blood pressure has been controlled. What you need to do is that you make a chart of your blood pressure recordings every 4th day, 5th day, or at least once in a week you record your blood pressures, and if they are not being appropriately controlled, visit your physician so that they can adjust the doses of the drugs and your blood pressures are being appropriately controlled. Similarly, for diabetes, taking medicines for control of sugar doesn't guarantee that your sugar has been controlled. Please monitor your sugar levels at frequent intervals to make sure that these are being appropriately controlled with the medicines you are taking. And do one HbA1c levels at 3 months so that you keep a track of the blood sugar levels in the past 3 months. Similarly, for obesity, please adopt a healthy lifestyle. It's the right time you decide what is right for your body. Take appropriate nutrition, make sure you have an adequate sleep, do some exercises and do some yoga training. So adoption of healthy lifestyle is again the way out. So the strategies are very much pretty simple. Get vaccinated. Number two, optimize your comorbidities. And number three, adopt a healthy lifestyle. These are the ways by which we can increase our immunity and be prepared for any other subsequent COVID-19 pandemic wave. I hope you comply to my sayings. Thank you so much.